we face complex global challenges. The challenges are many, but we believe in the future, and it starts here. It starts in labs and test fields, asking questions, searching, determined, thorough, unstoppable. We discover the knowledge that informs the future, from new materials built on the atomic scale to the study of viruses that attack humans, plants, and animals.
For example, we study how viruses multiply inside a cell. But it's important because once we understand the process, how they work, we are able now to design drugs and things to intervene.
You have to get a variety of different kinds of expertise together to push hard and solve the energy materials problems or nanoelectronics problems, which are some of the major challenges of the future.
We are Nebraska's research university. We're expanding our research enterprise and establishing leadership in areas critical to our state and nation, including a $25 million research effort to improve food safety.
It's very gratifying to feel that you have been given this opportunity, to potentially make a big impact.
UNL scientists discover the unknown and bring solutions to light.
The exciting thing is we discovered something that nobody has seen. We are the first to see that phenomenon, that new nanostructure. It is really exciting.
Our world-class research leads the way to a better future. We believe we can forge solutions by growing more food with fewer resources to feed the world's expanding population, and by developing greener sources of energy to power the 21st century.
Providing more of the energy that we have in our country by renewable processes will clearly provide the United States with certain advantages.
We've built the capability to engineer crops for nutrition, for bioenergy traits, for traits that help them to grow against adverse conditions.
The University of Nebraska is particularly well poised to approach the problems that are facing agriculture as well as in the life sciences.
Nebraska Innovation Campus nurtures partnerships with business and industry.
Being the first major partner at the Nebraska Innovation Campus is an opportunity we couldn't pass up. I think we'll get the benefit of all the great research that's done at UNL. I think UNL will benefit from the practical experience that they get working with the Conagra Foods folks.
I think that's going to be the future, is Nebraska's economy is very much going to live off of the successes we put in place now.
We believe our lives can be improved through digital scholarship in the humanities, through brain research to better understand and treat concussions, by improving the way we teach math and science, and by helping students learn.
The ultimate goal is to ensure that every child has the best opportunity to learn, develop, and flourish in their natural environments in a way that is most commensurate with what's important to them, their families, and their schools.
We believe life is enriched through premier arts and humanities. We believe our nation can be stronger. One of the most powerful lasers in the world plays a role in developing ways to detect nuclear material. The strength of the Diocles laser and other UNL research led to an agreement with the U.S. Department of Defense. The University of Nebraska is one of only 14 university-affiliated research centers nationwide.
As we embark on these relationships and partnerships with the DoD, we're looking at how that benefits our overall national security and how we contribute to that in the long run.
The contract will bring as much as $84 million to the University of Nebraska's 4 campuses over the next 5 years. An active research environment with industry partners also benefits students.
It allows them to have some exposure in that realm of research that may open up job opportunities for them in the Department of Defense, Department of Homeland Security, Department of Energy.
Research helps reduce risk by strengthening military equipment or detecting the presence of weapons of mass destruction.
The research at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln will make the world a safer place.
We believe we are a stronger world when we work together. We're part of a team of nations uncovering secrets of the past in order to preserve the future. UNL is the U.S. scientific headquarters for the International Andril Project. Agreements among UNL and universities in countries such as China, India, and Brazil open the way for research collaboration, faculty exchange programs, and opportunities for students. We also work with the African nation of Zambia to combat AIDS, plan for drought, and help farmers.
We share the same problem. The world shares the same problem. So we really have to work together and in order to tackle the same problems.
There's no doubt we face serious challenges, but there are no solutions without a first step, no answers without questions, no results without a dream. We can succeed.